The Philodendron Prince of Orange gets its name from its uniquely hued leaves, which change color over time. This plant is a self-heading philodendron hybrid. Unlike many philodendron varieties, the Prince of Orange grows its vibrant leaves from its center rather than from vines or stems. New growth starts a starburst yellow when it first emerges, transitioning first to copper tones and ultimately settling into darker shades of green. Its brilliant coloring aside, it looks and grows very similarly to a Philodendron Congo, except will only reach about 2 feet tall at its largest. The Prince of Orange appreciates a bright location in your home or office, out of reach of direct sunlight, in a spot where it will receive plenty of ambient or filtered light throughout the day. Always be sure to assess your plant's watering needs upon receiving it. Before giving your plant a drink, it is best to check the moisture level in the soil first to ensure if it isn't moist right beneath the surface. Also consider aerating the soil of your plant before the initial watering. We compact the soil to avoid shifting during transit, so aerating can help the soil breathe and allow moisture to be released. Philodendrons prefer soil that is consistently slightly moist, especially if you want them to grow big leaves. As epiphytes with aerial roots, they are sensitive to overwatering, so they don't want to sit in soggy soil. Typically, you shouldn't have to water your Prince of Orange more than once a week. When the top 1 to 2 inches of the soil are dry, your plant could use a drink. Rest easy knowing this plant is hardy and easy to care for. Rotate your plant periodically to ensure even growth on all sides, and dust the leaves often so that the plant can photosynthesize efficiently. When dusting the leaves, also take the opportunity to inspect the undersides and keep an eye out for pests. Remember, each plant is a unique living thing and may have varying needs, especially in their individual locations. Pay attention to the condition of your Philodendron Prince of Orange and its watering needs, and you will have a long and happy relationship. The Philodendron Prince of Orange, also called Philodendron Tricolor and Orange Prince, is a tropical plant grown indoors. It's easily recognizable for its large, uniquely hued leaves that change color over time. Philodendrons are perennials that thrive under bright indirect light and grow well in any low-light room as a houseplant. Usually considered very affordable to buy, this fantastic find offers excellent value and style for the plant lover in your house. It rarely yields insignificant, small white flowers in spring when grown indoors. Thank you so much for your love and support to Sir Mio Vlogs. God bless us all.